Thought I almost had the Rona. It's a close call. Man, this is a grail for sure. Like, all right, I guess I should get this video started. I ain't got no scissors. I'm gonna go open it, I ain't got no scissors. Oh, okay, scissors. So I went on my Instagram the other day and I was like, yo guys, should I do an unboxing for this? Got more yeses than I got nos. So here I am. A little sad that I'm doing back-to-back videos of the same thing. Don't count on this happening again. But here we are, it's coronavirus. What else do you do? You shop. But we're gonna go ahead and just get right into it. Oh shoot. All right. Alrighty. Don't know if you guys can see, but oh, I done did it this time. I done did it this time. I done did it this time. This is my first purchase from the brand. I got these on Essence. They just started their sale, so I took it upon myself to just have a look. There's some things that I knew that I really wanted, but I wasn't really trying to spend the money. We're just gonna get right into it. Oh, this is so crazy, bro. So my story with like Guidi, like I've loved Guidi for a long time just because they're truly an artisanal brand. Like they're just like handcrafted for workers, like, but just elevated. Like there's just an elevated style and sense to them that I think is incomparable. Like, you know, between Guidi and like CCP, like people are always like, you know, Guidi and CCP, like you're at the top of the, I don't even know what they call it, but anyway, this is not that. This is just something that I really truly admire from the brand. I love what they do with all their leather goods, not just their shoes, but with their footwear in particular. I love the colorways that they do. I love the silhouettes, you know, but I'll stop talking. We'll just get right into it. So when you open up the box, you get yourself a card. Let's open this up and see what this says. Authenticity card, I would assume this is. So this was not an authenticity card. This was a care tag, which I think is super important when you're getting into specific materials regarding like what they use and everything. So great job on that, Guidi. I expected nothing less, honestly. Next, as we dive into the box again, see what this is. No way. Bro, they are next level. So a lot of people, when they buy new boots, they go like, oh, I need to go get these resoled. They provide you with an extra Vibram sole. This is so crazy. And it's branded. You get branded Vibram soles. It's the Guidi tag right there. Get the handy dandy tote. Looks like it has a pocket on the inside. No, not a pocket, but there's no branding on the outside. The branded is on the inside, this is what I thought the pocket was. It's not, it's just a branded flap, but it's a nice tote bag. And then we will get right into the box. PL0FZ baby calf full grain lined black Guidi loafer. A lot of you, this might be a surprise to you because typically when people purchase Guidi, they get just the boots, which, you know, the high level boots, full zip, either front or back. Some of the boots come with a back zip. These have a pull tab, which most Guidi shoes don't, but not mad at it. I think it helps with the zipper. I got these in a 43. I'm typically a size 42, but lately I've been getting shoes that are 42 because I'm in between sizes. Like I'm a 42, 42 and a half, which is like a 9 and a half. And because I was spending so much money on these shoes, I really did not want them to be too small. So I'm getting to the point now where it's like, I'd rather have a little bit more space than have my shoes be super snug. I've tried on a pair of Guidis before. This was months ago, I was in Paris. And I've also tried a pair on at IF Soho in New York. IF has a plethora of colorways and sizes of Guidi. So I was there and I tried them on there. It's also a very narrow shoe. I was really looking forward to getting my hands on a pair, but because we're in Corona and I can't really try them on. And then also nobody carries this silhouette in store. This silhouette was very hard for me to find. My first time becoming familiar with the silhouette, I was in Paris. Shout out to GoldLink. Shout out to Lucas J. Crawley, GoldLink stylist. Best men's stylist in the game right now, in my opinion. But GoldLink had these on. I was backstage with Lucas and GoldLink and some other friends, not trying to name drop or nothing like that. That's not me, but just trying to give you guys a story. So GoldLink had these on. And I thought they were high tops. And I was like, yo, like the Guidis are hard, bro. He's like, oh, appreciate you. And Lucas was like, yeah, those are the lows. And I was like, what? And like he pulled his pant leg up and it was this shoe. And I was like, bro, where did you even find that? Like, I've never seen that before in my life. So I'm searching the internet, looking for them, couldn't find them anywhere. He said that he got them in New York, didn't remember which store, assuming that it was probably like If or Hotel Belly, which also carries Guidi. I haven't been there yet. Yeah, he was like, he got them in New York, and I looked on the site. I was looking everywhere, I couldn't find them anywhere. So then Essence and Farfetch both carries them right now. Essence had the sale, so I went ahead and was just like, yo, they only had one in each size. And I was just like, I think I'm just gonna have to do it. So, you know, I took the sale that they provided, which is I think 47% off, which I mean, almost 50% off a pair of Guidis is like no brainer, brand new. So I went ahead and made the purchase. Super hyped on these. Again, give you guys some close-ups and some details on them. The leather quality on these so far, it looks amazing. And I'm just looking forward to seeing how these, you know, kind of patina and break down in the future. Every time I see a pair of Guidis, I'm like ecstatic, bro. I'm just like, oh my God, like I gotta get a pair, blah, blah, blah. They have them in all these super cool colors. This probably won't be my last pair, to be honest. And yeah, as I'm getting into like artisanal workwear and stuff and becoming really focused on what my personal style is, like on the day-to-day, like, yeah, I can put on a suit, or yeah, I can put on like yellow pants and be super loud, but workwear is really what I'm in love with. So I want to, you know, find pieces and parts of elevated workwear that fit for me and kind of bring it to the next level. So this was another step in that direction as far as footwear. You know, I started with the ground cover boots from A.V. Ginsberg, and this is the next iteration of what footwear is gonna look like for me for a while. So again, super hyped on these. And yeah, you guys can look forward to seeing a lookbook from me soon. But either way, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. So hyped on these shoes. Thank you for tuning in. You know, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. I got Guidis! Ah! Yo, this is crazy. All right, I've been doing all that talking. I didn't even try the shoe on. My right foot's bigger than my left, so I'm gonna try the right foot on first. Oh, these are gonna fit perfect. I already feel it. Oh, yes. Oh, if I would have bought a 9, when I tell you I would have been pissed. Oh my God, I would have cried, bro. Because the 9 would have been so small. Oh, wow. That's crazy. I literally would have, oh my God, I would have shed a tear. Sick. It's lit. Going through some stuff now. I know you think now. This spot is tough now.